Welcome. The Line Lab program develop a menu-driven program to fill the polygon using the scaling algorithm. So here that is we are going to create one polygon, okay, using the point 6 I am coding. There is a 4 endpoints. This is the function to detect the edge of the polygon. Next it is going to fill the polygon. Next scan will it will check the edges and it will start filling the polygon. Okay, so first we start with that is a main function. The main function first we are going to call that is a glut initialization function. So next we are going to consider that is a glut init display mode, that is we are using the single buffer for storing the RGB components. Next window size is that is a 500 width and 500 height. So next position that is the 0, 0, that is from that's a top left corner. Next glut create window, the title is scan fill. So display function is that's a display, and we are going to create one menu for giving the colors for the polygon. So how we are going to create the menu means that is a glut create menu. So name of the function is that's a menu. Okay, so here in the menu that is we are going to call add the entries, glut add menu entry. So here the first is the value that's a red and id is 0. Similarly we are going to add that's a green with the id 1. Next we are going to add that's a glut add menu entry, there's a blue while id is the 2. So here the menu is attached to the particular mouse button, that is the glut attach menu glut left button. When you press that is the left button, it's going to display the menu. So here that is the name of the function is menu. So here it is going to receive whenever we are going to press the left button and select a menu entry, it's going to send that is a code, that is a id. So switch id the case 0, if it is 0 we are going to set with that is a RGB red color GL color 3F, that is we are passing 1.0 0.0 0.0, that is we are passing red color. Similarly that is a case 1, that is we are going to set with that's a green color. Similarly case 2 we are going to set with that's a blue color. Again which is going to call that is a glut post display. Okay, so here we are going to call that is a display function. The main menu that's a display function is display. Okay, go to there is a display function. So here we are going to create a polygon. The first point is 200 and 200, second point is 100 300, third point is 200 400, and fourth point is 300 300. So here that is we are going to call GL period. It's going to change the background. So here we are going to draw the line of the polygon. So using GL begin GL line loop, that is we are passing the x1 y1 first point, x2 y2 second point, x3 y3, and finally there is a x4 y4. Okay, so here that is we are using line loop. So after drawing there is a line from x3 to x3 y3 comma x4 y4, it will add the line x4 y4 to x1 y1. After that is creating the polygon, here we have to fill that polygon. Here we are going to call the function that is a scan fill, passing all the 4 endpoints of the polygon. So go to there is a scan fill function, so reading all the 4 endpoints. So here first we are taking there is a left edge and the right edge. Okay, so here we are going to add the values, that is a left with the maximum value and right with that is a minimum value, that is a 0. Okay, so here that is the left edge is that is a maximum, that is a 500, and RE is that is a minimum value, that is a 0. So here we are going to call that is a edge detect, that is we are passing x1 y1 x2 y2, and we are passing that is a array left edge and the right edge. So go to that is edge detect function. Okay, in edge detect function we are reading 2 points, okay, the x1 y1 x2 y2 and the array left edge and the right edge. So here you have to calculate there is a endpoints of the edge, that's the points over the edge. So just check if y2 minus y1 is less than 0, means that is either we can draw the fill the polygon from left to right, or we can fill the polygon from right to left. So check if y2 minus y1 is less than 0, means that is a y1 comes right and y2 comes the first. So just replace, that is interchange the values of x1 y1, swap the values, and check if y2 minus y1 is not equal to 0, compute that the slope x, okay, is x2 minus x1 divided by y2 minus y1. Else if it is not equal to 0, just mx equals x2 minus x1. So take from start vertex, that is a x equals x1, for I equals y1 to y2. Okay, so calculate if x is less than LE of I. Here we are going to assign LE of I with the maximum value. Just check if x is less than 500, LE of I is, that is a take the x value. So if x is greater than, that is a RE value is, that is a 0 initially. So if x value is greater than 0, take RE of I is integer. So next point, that is add the slope value to x. This is repeating for the value from, that's a y1 to y2. This is calculating the endpoints of the, that's a particular edge. So here we are going to similarly calculate, that's a edge point from x to y2 to x plane y3. Similarly x plane y3 to x4 y4, x4 y4 to x1 y1. So after calculating all the edge points, so here we have to fill the polygon from the start to end vertex. So for y equals 0 to 500, so check if LE of y is less than RE of y, then for I equals, that is the from left edge to right edge, just draw the pixel from I comma y. So here in the draw pixel, so here we are going to use, that is a GL points, GL begin, GL point, just insert one vertex, that is vertex 2I, x comma y, GL end. So this will add, that is a 1 by 1 vertex. So this is repeated until there is a RE value reaches the right edge value from the left edge. Okay, so just start executing. So just left, there is a left button, so it's going to ask for, there is a color RGB, so you can select any one color. So it's going to fill the polygon with the particular color. Again, can you left click, select any entry. Okay. So here first we are going to draw the polygon, and we are going to pass all the code points. For scan fill, it's going to calculate what are the vertices over the particular edge. Okay, that is first initializing, that's a left edge width, that's a 500 value, right edge width, that's a 0 value. Okay, after calculating each and every, that's a vertex on the edge, then we are going to call, that is if, that's a LE of I is less than RE of I, we are going to start filling from left to right. Thank you.